Hi there, this is Anastasia Hollins, better known as Coach Ace. I want to welcome you to Ace of Riches Freedom by Design's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 beginner tips to stand out of the competition in your niche. So when you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you really aren't taught how to stand out of your competition, are you? Especially in your chosen niche, whatever that may be. So today I want to share these top 5 tips with you that are really going to help you learn exactly what to do when it comes to standing out in your competition. So number 1, be the purple cow. What do I mean by being the purple cow? Being the purple cow means that in the marketplace, you want to be able to offer something else that literally allows you to stand out of your competition. Why should anyone want to do business with you compared to your competitor? You need to be very, very specific on what it is that you're good at and what's so special about you, or what you can bring as far as service to the marketplace. So think about how people buy. People buy products based on emotion, right? They buy products and services based on emotion, and they feel something, right? They feel something when they do press that buy now button. They feel a sense of, oh, if I buy this product or service, it's going to really help me solve my problem. Well, that's the whole concept, right, of buying. So if you notice that the leads that you're bringing in or the prospects that you are actually targeting aren't biting at your offer, then it's because you got to find something else that they can bite that is really going to help and serve them with something else related to their problem or challenge or maybe pain. You need to stand out from everyone out there in your niche, because pretty much everyone in your niche is fighting for the same thing. They want the same, the same results, right? They want the same, profits and commissions and things like that. So you need to understand that if you have a Me Too product, your customer's gonna go somewhere else basically and buy it from that competitor rather than you, if that makes sense, right? So try to sweeten the deal. Here's a really good tip. Try to sweeten the deal with a custom bonus, right? Think about something like a bonus that you could put together that will increase awareness that buying from you is absolutely valuable and cannot be missed as an opportunity, and it's a chance for them to buy through your affiliate link instead of your competitors, so that way they don't miss out on your amazing bonus. Number 2, take time to tap into your creative side, right? Most affiliate marketers who are beginners in training, I like to call you guys beginners in training, not so much newbies, but you guys, you have to understand in the very beginning, right? Some of you have to admit this, and I can be guilty of this myself, so I have no fear in saying this, are lazy. You're very lazy. You're in a business that is telling you that you can make money, right, from home, and it's easy, right, as an affiliate marketer. Listen, I'm speaking from my personal experience. I have self-sabotaged my success multiple times in the very beginning when I first got started. And one of the reasons why was because of my mindset and relying on others and literally not wanting to do the work. And that's laziness, right? That's sheer laziness. So now that all has absolutely changed, and I'm hungrier, I'm learning new skills, I'm being able to always remain a student of the industry and pick up new things and always improve myself each and every day and get better and better to mastery, right? So I'm addicted. I'm in love with affiliate marketing, okay? What can I say? I'm in love, right? I don't know about you, but I'm in love. So just because it's called passive income doesn't mean that you could sit on your ass, okay? And it doesn't mean to do nothing when it comes to building a business online. It doesn't work that way. I don't care if you're a citizen of the United States of America or you're an international resident in like Guam. You have to understand passive income does not necessarily mean you sit on your butt and expect money to fall out of the sky. You have to work, okay? So learn to get creative with your marketing, get creative with the content, and also learn to build a business. Building means to actually move and build it, okay? Do the work. Number 3, posture and professionalism are numero uno, right? So I've coached and mentored many of my students, and that are quite successful now, and they have great results in their business. And they tell me everything. Like, I have such a great relationship with my students. They tell me everything. And here's the thing. They share with me how their backstory, how things used to be before they found affiliate marketing, however they came into it, right? And before they locked arms with me and Rich, they shared with me that the majority of the time, their failure rate, their failure reason was because in the past, they actually failed because of lack of support, lack of professionalism, lack of posture from their so-called sponsors or their referring affiliate partner, right? Or person that actually, marketed to them and they clicked on their link and got in their business, okay, or bought their product. This is a bad sign. This is a really bad sign. So the people, the very same people, are the ones now having success since locking arms with me and Rich. Well, why is that? Because we have professionalism and posture. So you need to understand, to create the professionalism and posture, never ever leave your lead or your customer alone. It's the worst thing you could do. Would you leave your kid alone in the mall? No, right? Then why would you leave your customer or your lead alone? It's not good. It's like leaving your laundry out on the wet, like they're wet on a line, out in a fishing line to dry and all alone in the sun to bake, right? Listen, keep in mind that what you won't do or aren't willing to do, your competition will do it, okay? And that's just how it goes. And this will cost you sales, period. So the only way you are going to outdo your competition is to learn how to posture yourself and be professional with your marketing, and by following up with every new lead and every buyer, okay? So I follow up with all my customers without fail since I've been in this industry and since I've been in this business within the first 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes I can do it within the first 24 hours faster because, well, I'm full-time. As you can see, I'm a full-time online marketer. So I do this full-time. I don't work for anybody else. I work for myself. I have a business. This is what I do full-time. So number 4, never stop building your list and own it. Never stop building your list and own it. The top affiliate marketers, okay, in the industry have achieved their success because in the beginning, they never stopped building and maintaining the growth of their list. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Okay. This means you need to have your own autoresponder in place, and with that autoresponder, continuously drive traffic to generate leads and consistently follow up until you get sales. This is how you populate the list. You're generating leads. The name of the game is to consistently grow your list. That's what you got to do, and you've got to collect emails. I want you to aim for at least 10,000. Get your first 10,000 leads, okay? I know it seems like a number that's far-fetched, but I've seen people do this at rapid speed because, they either have the marketing budget to do it, okay, in the very beginning, or they just hustled their butts off to collect as many emails as they can to drive traffic to their lead capture pages, right? And at the same time, they have something in place within their autoresponder that they could literally use to grow their business on autopilot, known as a follow-up series. So think of it this way, okay? You got to clean your list, especially if you have a list that's anywhere from 500 and up, okay? Make sure that you're consistently cleaning that list because rent costs to live in an apartment, right? Well, with autoresponders, if you look at it the same perspective, if you aren't cleaning your list regularly, like this, and deleting the unsubscribes and, unopens, basically, you're letting these leads freeload in your house while you cover the rent, okay? So don't do that. Get in the habit of cleaning your list, and every time somebody unsubscribes, depending on the autoresponder of your choice, okay, depending on that, make sure that you delete them because you don't want people, freeloading in your house, of course, in your autoresponder. So, number 5, and this is the last tip. Build relationships with your buyers, but don't neglect your leads. This means you should have a 7-day follow-up series of emails that is going to be in place to run on autopilot. And what this will do is this will build the relationship and introduction and break the ice with your cold lead. Remember, if you're doing paid traffic with solo ads like Rich talked about in his previous video, you got to understand these people do not know you, okay? They're biz ops seekers, and they would like to know somebody that they could get to know, like, and trust. But in order to do that, you've got to follow up in a timely manner. So the lead is going to decide if they'd rather work with you or not, or buy through your affiliate link through the email content that you're sending them. And I'm so glad I'm sharing this because nobody's really teaching this shit, right? So I do this with every buyer, and I also add them to my calendar to book a 15-minute meet and greet session. This is something I do extra. And with that 15-minute meet and greet session, I'm able to get to know my new buyer. And I only do this with my buyers. My leads, on the other hand, are treated a little different. They get special emails, and those emails lead into getting an appointment with me for a consult, okay? So I trust all these great tips have been beneficial for you. Write them down, print them out if you have to. I mean, you know, just run with it. Take these tips and start applying them in your business, and I'm sure you're going to start seeing results. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Holders, better known as Coach Ace. Be sure to like that video, this video right here, not that video, this video, okay? Smash the likes button, make sure that you click the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, especially when you're brand new, and we'd love to have you here to keep coming back each and every day where we produce all this great content for you for tips, tools, training, and all that great stuff to learn about online marketing, all right? And on top of that, comment below, how did these tips really make sense to you? I want to know your feedback, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.